pulling onto I-82 for this massive cross-country road trip, right? But you never once check your fuel gauge.
Yeah, that would be completely chaotic. You'd just be hoping for the best.
Right. And yet, if you look at the Tri-Cities housing market, buyers do exactly this every single day.
Oh, all the time.
Yeah.
Whether they are looking in Richland, Kennewick, or Pasco.
Exactly. So today on the deep dive, we are pulling from this essential guide called Tri-Cities Home Loans, The Path to Pre-Approval.
Because, well, getting pre-approved is like literally the very first step you have to take.
Yeah, our mission today is really to just cut through the fluff, Like, why is checking that starting point so vital before you buy?
Because you have to know what your financial engine can actually handle. But, people avoid it. They assume checking their options means they're suddenly locked in.
Okay, let's unpack this. Because I totally get that fear of commitment. If I let a lender peek under the hood and pull my credit, isn't that a permanent choice?
No, and what's fascinating here is the massive misconception around that. A pre-approval is absolutely not a commitment to borrow.
Wait, really? It doesn't trap you in their ecosystem?
Not at all. It just shows you exactly where you stand financially. It's really just a snapshot of your options.
Okay, so if it's just a snapshot, why does the process feel so intimidating to people? Like, what are lenders actually looking at?
I know it feels heavy, but they really just pull back the curtain on 4 simple things. First up is income.
So, like, just having a steady biweekly paycheck.
Essentially, yeah. They want to see stable income and a solid job history. They like predictability.
Makes sense. But what about credit? Because I feel like everyone panics if their score isn't, a perfect 800.
Oh, for sure. But here's the thing. You do not need perfect credit.
You don't?
No, not at all. Lower scores just mean different loan programs or slightly different rates to offset the risk. It's a spectrum, not a simple pass or fail test.
Oh, wow. That is actually a huge relief. So income and credit, what's the third lens?
Assets, which covers your down payment and closing costs. And here's another big relief for buyers. You really don't always need 20% down payment.
Seriously, because I swear that 20% rule is everywhere online.
Yeah, it's largely a myth these days. There are so many programs that get you into a house with way less cash up front.
Okay, so income, credit, assets. That leaves debt. Right.
Exactly. And debt simply determines how much you can actually afford on a monthly basis. It is just a mathematical buffer.
So it's literally just those 4 straightforward things: income, credit, assets, and debt.
That's it. Which brings us to the absolute biggest mistake buyers make.
Which is waiting too long.
Yes, exactly. They wait because they wrongly assume they won't qualify, or they wait until they have physically found the house to justify the paperwork.
But if you wait until you find the perfect house in Pasco, someone else is going to swoop in, right?
100%. Waiting is the most dangerous game you can play. Getting pre-approved early provides crucial clarity and confidence.
And leverage, because it turns you into a much stronger buyer when it's time to actually make an offer.
Right, because a seller sees you can actually back up your offer. The money is verified. It takes the risk out of the equation for them.
So what does this all mean? It means getting that pre-approval early completely changes the game.
Think about how many buyers miss out on their perfect once-in-a-lifetime home simply because they weren't prepared.
Yeah, they couldn't make a mathematically backed offer the exact moment they found it.
Exactly. You need to be ready to strike with confidence.
Get the map sorted before you hit the road. If you're in the Tri-Cities and thinking about buying, don't wait. Reach out and let's run a quick pre-approval so you know exactly where you stand. Call or text 509-591-5517 or visit myrateisgreat.com.